Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
First, prepare both your Nikon D5300 and your smartphone for transfer. Install the Nikon Wireless Mobile Utility app on your phone before starting. Turn on the camera and navigate menu to the Wi-Fi settings to enable wireless functions. Set image quality to JPEG Large Fine to balance file size and image quality for faster transfers. Make sure the camera battery is above 50% so the transfer will not stop unexpectedly. Keep your phone Wi-Fi enabled and ready to join a new network. Next, connect the camera directly to your phone using the D5300 Wi-Fi mode. On the camera, use menu and choose Send to Smart Device to create a Wi-Fi SSID for the camera. The camera will display an SSID and password for the ad hoc network. On your phone, open Wi-Fi settings and join that SSID using the password shown on the camera. Then open the Wireless Mobile Utility app and follow prompts to view and select images for transfer. Tap Send to copy images to your phone. If wireless transfer seems slow, use alternative methods that are often faster. Eject the SD card and use an SD card reader with your computer or phone adapter to copy files directly. Alternatively, connect the D5300 to your computer with the USB cable and use Nikon software or File Explorer to download images. For wireless transfers, disable auto sleep on the camera and confirm there is enough storage on your phone. Finally, transfer smaller JPEG sizes when on the go to save time and battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.